In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Sendgrid with Bubble.io, creating a seamless connection between your email solutions and web applications. This guide is designed to be comprehensive yet easy to understand, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Sendgrid website. It's crucial to find the correct page dedicated to their email API and email marketing campaigns. Here you have access to essential tools that will allow you to manage your email correspondence efficiently. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your existing Sendgrid account. If you don't have one yet, obviously you'll need to create one, but for today's purposes, we're assuming you already have access. Having signed in, locate the dashboard on the site. This is your command center where you can manage and create all sorts of functionalities with Sendgrid. The dashboard can be a bit overwhelming if you're unfamiliar, but take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. It's important to note where key features are, as these will make configuration much easier. Now look for the settings option. This is typically in the menu on the left hand side. Clicking on settings will reveal another list of options, and from these you need to select API keys. API keys are vital as they serve as your credentials to securely interact with Sendgrid's features via the API. In the API keys section, you're going to create a new key, so click on Create API Key button. This will prompt you to choose the type of access for your new API key. I recommend going for restricted access because this gives you control over what this key can and cannot do. Think of it as an added layer of security, ensuring that only specific functionalities are available, reducing the risk of unintended access or changes. After you've created your API key, make sure to securely copy and store it. This string of characters is much like a password, and you'll need it when connecting with Bubble.io, and that wraps up the Sendgrid side of things. Pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. Now with this set up correctly in Sendgrid, you'll be ready to move on to further steps involving Bubble.io, which will be covered in subsequent instructions or videos. The integration between the two platforms opens up a lot of opportunities for automation and enhancement of your web applications, providing capabilities like sending transactional emails, newsletters, and much more. That's it, a step-by-step on how to integrate Sendgrid with Bubble.io. Follow these instructions carefully and you'll be set up for success in no time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow for more detailed tutorials.